Okay, the other day I made a record on how to apply the measurements of your graphics in Illustrator in Plasticity, and I talked about the magic number, this one. And sorry to disappoint you, this is not a magic number. It's basically this 2.54 centimeters divided by 72 dpi. So 2.54 is equivalent to 1 inch and 72 is the resolution. So when you divide it, you get this value, which is basically the size of 1 pixel in centimeters if the resolution is 72. And I started messing around with pixels and centimeters, millimeters and resolutions after this command. So if you don't care about units, if you want just the value to remain the same, and if you don't want to scale around, simply make sure that your graphic has the width of 100 pixels. So let's check. Let's measure the distance. Boom. You have 1 meters. So 100 pixels in Illustrator is automatically converted to 1 meters in Plasticity, which is the same as 100 centimeters. I still don't know why this conversion happens between the units, but now we have at least 2 different methods and a little bit of clarification regarding this number.